Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Element Messenger on your Windows PC step by step. Element Messenger is a secure, open-source messaging app built on the Matrix protocol, allowing you to send messages, make voice and video calls, and collaborate across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Element website. Navigate to the Download section and select the Windows version. Click the Download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Next, locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation. If Windows displays a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. Now follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement if prompted and choosing an installation location if you want to customize it. For most users, the default settings are the best choice. Click Install and wait while the application is installed on your PC. Once the installation is complete, click Finish or Launch Element to open the application. Sign in with your existing Matrix account or click Create Account if you're new to Element. Choose your preferred Matrix server if prompted, then complete the setup process. Finally, check for updates inside the application to make sure you're using the latest version with the newest features, security improvements, and performance enhancements. And that's it. You now know how to install Element Messenger on a Windows PC and start using secure messaging, voice calls, and video calls with the Matrix network. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.